morning to all of you. As we stand together in this historic site of Khongjom Memorial, I would like to extend my greetings to the honorable dignitaries, esteemed guests, and my dear people of Manipur. First of all, I strongly condemn the terror attack in Bhalla'S in Jammu and Kashmir. Condolences to those who have lost their loved ones. I pray that the injured recover at the earliest, and I strongly condemn killing of civilians by the terrorists. Today in Manipur we are commemorating Khongjom Day, which has changed the course of history in Manipur. This day, the 23rd of April, is a tribute to those brave sons of Manipur who had sacrificed their lives in the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891. The battle of 1891 still echoes in the heart of every Manipuri, with a pride that Manipur fought a war against the mighty colonial power. Despite the predictable defeat, the brave warriors of Manipur fought back relentlessly against the British Empire for their independence. The Battle of Khongjom was not just a battle of arms but it was a battle for honor, patriotism, and self-determination. Our forefathers stood firm in defending the sovereignty of Manipur despite being faced with the formidable might of Britishers. The indomitable spirit of the people of Manipur remains a unique history of patriotism in the world. As we remember our fallen heroes today, we must also look forward to the future. The history of Khongjom is not just a reminder of our past struggle, but a guiding force for our youth to build a spirit of nationalism, progressive development, and prosperous Manipur. It's our collective responsibility to uphold the values of unity, resilience, and self-reliance that our ancestors fought for. Over the past months, efforts have been undertaken to restore a sense of normalcy, ensuring that Manipur moves forward on the path of peace, stability, and inclusive development. Recognizing the need for a secure and harmonious environment, steps have been taken to encourage dialogue between communities, foster trust, and reinforce public confidence in governance. One of the most crucial aspects of this journey has been the emphasis on disarmament and restoring law and order. My appeal for voluntary surrender of arms has given encouraging results. This is an effort that reflects the collective will of people to build a safer and more progressive Manipur. Besides, we are now undertaking such operations, area nomination, so that the security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of the hill and valley district of the state ensure that no further incidents of violence take place. During these operations, even people involved in illegal extortion activities and rumor mongering have also been arrested, taken into custody, illegal arms have been recovered, and we hope that we will definitely be progressing toward a total peace in the state. I appreciate the efforts of security personnel of the state for ensuring the safety of citizens. The state has been working to improve the rehabilitation of internally displaced persons residing in various relief camps. Steps on the implementation of Hunar Se Rozgar, which is the Government of India initiative under the Tourism Ministry, to provide them employment opportunities, and especially for the IDPs, initiative aims to impart skill development, training, and to ensure feasibility of jobs in private sector. In aid to overcome the challenges and struggles of IDPs, the government has been taking up various measures, including distribution of handlooms and accessories, bicycles for mobility support, besides the financial assistance provided under different schemes of the state. Enhancing education sector will boost the growth and progress of the state. Our youth must not only be aware of our history, but also be equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to compete in today's rapidly changing world. With the recently inaugurated IT centers under the funding of Ministry of Home Affairs, Transport, Senapati, our students will now have better opportunities with knowledge and skill needed to excel in ever-evolving world of technology. Manipur University has recently dubbed it Mahasir Hatchery and a sustainable aquaculture laboratory which not only benefits the students and research scholars but can also boost fish production significantly, ensuring self-sufficiency. This will not only help our local fish farmers but also cut down on the substantial costs we incur in importing fish from outside the state. Manipur has always been a land of unparalleled beauty, rich traditions and vibrant history. It has a distinct identity, starting from its exquisite handlooms, handicrafts, to its unique culture. However, identity alone is not enough. We must strengthen our society with education, innovation, and social harmony. Among the many fronts where progress is being made, one that shines particularly bright is our commitment to environment conservation and sustainable development. Under the Prime Minister's initiative of Keep Field Martinam campaign, state has planted numerous plants. We have taken steps to improve the management of state orchid area located at Khongjom Park, Imphal, West, to promote ecotourism and conservation of endemic, endangered and rare orchids. Let's also work for employment generation using non-timber forest produce and livelihood programs under Green India Mission. Awareness activities and cleaning drives have been carried out in Senapati River under the Clean Senapati River campaign. Several infrastructure development initiatives have been taken and the progress has been reviewed in the recent, including the newly commenced works of construction of district and session court buildings, Churajanpur, newly commissioned court complex at Kavchi. Manipur has progressed in its health infrastructure too, with recently established dialysis unit at the Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences. Meanwhile, 1 lakh individuals have been screened under the initiative of 100-day TB program. We have done so well that we got an award for this. Elimination campaign across 6 districts of Manipur is undergone since 7th of December. On the drug menace, Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan has been initiated across the state to raise awareness about the harmful effects of substance abuse. This is part of Government of India's commitment to building a drug-free nation. I am proud to say that Manipur is one of the states with its good drug policy, called the Manipur State Policy, on psychoactive substances. Further, it is also one of the few states with a clear guidelines for registration and monitoring of private drug de-addiction centers. Another significant milestone in our journey towards rural development and economic resilience is the sanction of unprecedented 2,000 crore rupees for the financial year 25-26. This is the highest ever allocation under Manrega from the state. We must build a future where our rich history is complemented by modern progress, where our youth find pride not only in their past, but in the opportunities that the present and future hold. The youth of today are global citizens and Manipur must find its place on the global stage. Manipur's achievement in the field of sports has again reaffirmed our status as hub for sporting talent and tradition. Manipur is very proud to claim the championship title in the 68th National School Games Championship held in Nepal in the disciplines of weightlifting and handball. The government has also recently appointed renowned Wushu player and Arjuna awardee Nauran Roshidina Devi as UISP Sports and recognition of her contribution in the field of sports. It should be a big source of inspiration to our younger generations. In addition to the development of field of sports, construction of National Sports University, the only university of its kind, campus at Khongjom is the far west is underway and project is expected to be completed very soon. As we talk about the progress, we must also emphasize the importance of unity and harmony. Our society is diverse, yet our strength lies in our ability to stand together. The sacrifices made at Khongjom were not for any single group or community. They were for the future of all Manipuris. We must work together, embracing our differences, while celebrating our shared heritage to build a state that is inclusive and united with purpose. While building a united and progressive Manipur, the youth and the generations to come must not forget the collective efforts of hills and valley people in defending the territorial integrity of Manipur in the Anglo-Manipur War. On this solemn occasion, let's take a pledge to work towards a better Manipur, a pledge to uphold the ideals of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity, a pledge to honor our ancestors not just through ceremonies and speeches, but through our actions. Let us ensure that the sacrifices made on the battlefield of Khongjom were not in vain, but instead serve as the foundation of a brighter, stronger and united Manipur. Let's move forward with determination and hope. Let's strengthen the bonds of brotherhood and unity. Let's embrace progress while preserving our heritage, and let's ensure that the spirit of Khongjom never fades away, but instead it shines as a guiding light for generations to come. Jai Hind, Jai Manipur, Sat Sri Akal.